Hello, welcome to our Pegasus Massage Chair Installation Guide. This video will walk you through how to install the Pegasus Massage Chair. Before we begin the installation, select the location where you want to place the chair. We recommend that you place a rug underneath the chair. There should be at least 20 inches of space between the back of the chair and any wall. The Pegasus will come in 3 boxes containing the main body, the arms, the leg rest, and various pieces of hardware to use during assembly. This hardware consists of the following items: 2 metal clips for the leg rest, 2 metal posts, 8 large Phillips head screws for the posts, 4 small Phillips head screws for the shoulder attachments, 8 small hex head screws for the arms, 1 hex key, and 1 Phillips head screwdriver. Although the Pegasus comes with a hex key, we recommend that you use a socket wrench with an Allen head attachment to speed up the installation process. Now let's look at the arms. The 8 small hex screws will be used to attach the arms to the hinge. The metal posts will connect to the chair here. The air hoses will connect to valves here. Each arm will have an area where the hoses are labeled either 1, 2, 3 or 4, 5, 6. Using the large Phillips head screws, attach the metal posts to each side of the chair. Install the arm labeled 1, 2, 3 first. With assistance, place the arm onto the chair, making sure that the post locks into the corresponding slot. Arrange the hinges so that they line up with the frame. Secure the arm by screwing the hex screws into the hinges using the hex key. Once the arm is attached, you will be able to swing it open. This will allow you access to install the air hoses. Attach the air hoses labeled 1, 2, and 3 to their corresponding valves. Attach the electrical clip to the electrical port. After the air hoses and electrical ports have been connected, swing the arm closed to join it to the shoulder bracket. Use the small Phillips head screws and Phillips head screwdriver to secure the arm. Now, let's attach the second arm. This arm will have 2 electrical clips. Make sure you attach these with the clip heads upright. Follow the same steps as you did for the first arm. Attach the leg rest by placing the leg rest brackets onto the post. Secure the leg rest by sliding the clip on each side. Connect the power supply and turn on the chair. Recline the chair and raise the leg rest in order to access the electrical ports and air valves beneath the leg rest. Attach the electrical clips and air hose. Then, lower the leg rest and return the chair to its upright position. Attach the pocket holder to the Velcro strip and tuck the leather back into the chair. Now, Test whether or not the chair has been installed correctly. On the remote, select Manual Mode. Then scroll down and select Handrail. Choose Out and hold the OK button. The arms should expand equally on both sides. The Pegasus massage chair is now fully installed. Thank you for watching this installation video.